And now, it's time for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Money saver ako at ang asawa ko naman ay money spender. Hi DJ Raqi, avid fan mo ako for few years na. I cannot sleep without listening to your program, Secret Files. I'm a healthcare hero in this time of pandemic. And I just recovered from the side effects of my second dose of COVID vaccination. Itago mo na lang ako sa pangalang Glenda, US registered nurse for almost 14 years na. I'm 20 years married at may 4 ng anak. This is my secret file. Pangarap ko na talagang maging nurse kahit ayaw ng parents ko kasi magastos at maruming profession daw. Ang gusto ng mom ko, maging teacher ako just like her. Buti na lang yung tita ko sa California na kumbinse ang mom ko to let me take up nursing. Sa probinsya nga lang, not in Manila. Pero okay pa rin sa akin yun basta nursing ang kurso ko. I tried to study very well. So naging dean's lister ako. And I prepared early for the local board exam. No boyfriend din ako para hindi matakot ang parents ko na mag-aasawa ako ng maaga while in college. All things went well. I passed the local board exam without reviewing sa Manila. Mahirap yung buhay noon kaya sikap plus sakripisyo talaga ang ginawa ko. Ako ang eldest daughter at hindi pa ako makatulong financially kaya nag-aalaga pa ako ng manok at baboy while reviewing sa board. Then yung father ko isang stroke patient. So after passing the 1994 local board exam, I decided to review sa Manila for my US nursing exams. Then there, I met my first boyfriend, who is my husband now. Let us call him Toti. October 1998, he was introduced to me by his own sisters. He is handsome, bodybuilder. Nobody likes him kasi mahangin ang dating. During that time, wala akong boyfriend. Pero may ka-MU ako. Kaya lang, LDR kami. So, tuloy lang. Then even my childhood friend na si Jamie hates Toti kasi nga, hindi raw kami bagay. Aba, itong si Jamie, my childhood friend, nagsumbong sa parents ko sa probinsya to inform them na may boyfriend na raw ako. So by May of 1998, Toti surprised me by visiting me in the province. Of course, hindi ako prepared. My parents were also not prepared. So, inignore lang nila si Toti. My father asked me na makipag-break kay Toti kasi wala raw siyang ipapakain sa akin except his body. And na-develop yung feelings ko kay Toti kasi lagi siyang nasa tabi ko. Lalo na nung namatay ang father ko. Kuya ko siya, kaibigan ko siya, bodyguard, my everything. Every time na magpapaalam ako na mag-a-abroad muna ako, gusto niya maikasal muna kami. Tsaka na raw ako mag-abroad. Masaya kami kahit simple lang yung buhay namin sa Manila. Until June 2000, I discovered I was pregnant. He never left me that time. At kahit iyakin ako, lagi niya pa rin akong pinatatawa. We got married kahit medyo malaki na yung tiyan ko noon. We started living together in a small apartment hanggang sa dumating ang mga pagsubok. I almost lost my first son due to the delivery complication. Then nag-diarrhea pa. Mahirap buhay, paycheck to paycheck, pero nakakaraos din. Nabubuli ako ng nurse supervisor ko so I decided to work abroad. Living my second son na less than 1 year old pa. Difficult decision ko yon, but I need to spread my wings and pursue my American dream. Sa Singapore ako nag-work as a nurse. So doon ko naranasan ang hirap maging OFW. Singapore, doon ko inayos ang documents ko for USA. By March 2006, finally, I landed to US. I started my dream job and after a few months, nakasama ko na ang mag-ama ko. Masarap ang buhay. Yan ang expression palagi ng anak ko kasi sama-sama na kami at may maayos na pagkain. Well, we bought a house, then a car. My husband was working as a cook, then fabricator ng granite. I was happy then kasi may sweldo rin yung asawa ko to help me pay bills, insurance, and mortgage. Until 2008. May recession. My husband lost his job. Plus, my third son was born. Stay-home dad siya since wala kaming maid dito. Then I got pregnant for the 4th time so hindi na siya nakapag-work. His relatives were asking for financial help most of the time kahit wala ng trabaho ang asawa ko. Madalas na kaming mag-away sa pera sa kahit konting bagay pero hindi naman niya ako sinasaktan physically. My problem? Almost 10 years na siyang walang trabaho. Pero marami siyang luho, like guns and bikes. At even may konting kita from cleaning the neighbor's yard, hindi niya maibigay sa akin yung kita niya. Until May 2018, inaway ko siya for not looking a job to help support our family. Nagtry siyang maging driver, pero ang daming nagreklamo so nag-stop siya after 2 months. And now may pandemic, napapraning siya. Pag may problems ako sa work like na-assign ako sa COVID floor, nagagalit siya. At bakit daw ako pumayag? I have no control kasi emergency crisis. Plus, it is part of my job. Ayaw niya nagdo-donate ako ng pera to help out others in need. I never experienced to be pampered with material things from him. No flowers, cards, or gifts for my birthday, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. Di naman ako materialistic but I feel I needed to be loved too. Money saver ako. At ang asawa kong si Toti ay money spender. Kaya exact opposite kami. My problem is, very controlling siya considering wala na nga siyang work tapos magastos pa. Marami raw kasi akong pera kasi paid off ko na yung mortgage at car loan namin. Pero napapagod na akong magtrabaho. Night shift pa naman. Tapos marami pa siyang reklamo sa buhay. Naiiyak na lang ako after all ng mga sacrifices ko. Hindi ko naman masabi kahit kanino yung problems ko. Napapagod na rin akong unawain siya. He's getting more immature, stubborn. And last time he almost commit suicide using his gun. I don't know what to do. Kahit successful ako sa nursing career ko dito sa US, yung family ko naman, need ko to save from a disaster. My children are growing up, hopefully not to be like their dad, na dependent sa wife financially. I admire those husbands who are very responsible father providing the needs of their families. I keep on praying na Toti will realize he's lucky to have a good life and be thankful not to complain ng complain. Ako nga dapat ang nagko-complain about him but instead, walang katapusang unawa at sacrifices ang ginagawa ko. I need help. Tulungan niyo naman ako. Thank you for giving me the chance to share my story. Hanggang dito na lang. Muli, ako si Glenda, and this is my secret file.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Kabisyo, nakarelate ka ba sa secret file na binasa ko? Kung nakarelate ka, mag-subscribe ka na dito sa aming YouTube channel at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod na episodes ng DJ Raqi Secret File.